Hey guys, this is Daniel, and this is my 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 Trail Edition. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing and install of some new stuff that I got in the mail from Rhino USA and AMI. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's see what's in the boxes. So the first box here is from AMI Styling, part number 88711. This is for 2009 to 2020 Toyota Tacomas. This also works with the 2021 Tacoma, as I did ask them and they confirmed that. So let's go and open up. And there we go. So open up the first one. And these are Demon brackets. So these are nice, hefty, pretty heavy brackets that are going to go on the underside of the vehicle. Okay, so there's one. Move this out of the way. And the second one. All right, so these are nice, hefty, weighted brackets. There we go. And bring this one in the frame. All right, so that is the first part of the unboxing. Let's get to the next part. All right, and the second box is from Rhino USA, and you guessed it, it is a set of heavy-duty shackles in gloss red. I think these are going to go nicely with the green, army green of the truck. So let's take a look at them. Yeah, buddy. And they do come with a Rhino sticker, if you're into that. All right, these are 3/4 inch Shackle D-rings. So it unscrews. And then you mount the D-ring onto the truck. All right. So we're going to be mounting these today, and let's get to what tools you'll need to do the job. So if you remember in one of my past videos, I removed the front air dam off the front bumper here, which was a pretty easy job. And this job is going to be pretty easy too. What we're going to be doing today is installing these bad boys to replace the stock tow hooks that are on the truck. And the only tools you're going to need are going to be a 17mm box wrench or a 17mm socket with socket wrench. Mine does telescope, so it can create a little bit more torque if needed. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so here we go. We are underneath the front of the truck now. We have this 17mm bolt ready to come out, and on the other side for the other one. So you can see on this side there is no tow hook, but right here there is one that's welded to the frame. So this bolt is not holding anything in except for this side piece here. So let's go ahead and remove that. And this piece does come out. I'm not sure why. I'm sure someone else knows. If you do know, leave a comment, let me know. But we're going to be putting in the bracket now. So we're going to be using this hole. That's where the bolt's going to go. And we're just going to fit it right here. Okay. Snug it up. All right, good to go. Off to the next one. Okay guys, now we're at the passenger side. So the passenger side is going to be a little more involved, but it's not bad. So this side has a toe point that is bolted onto the frame. Excuse me. So we're going to be removing that to make room for our bolt-on bracket. And then this is the bolt that's actually going to hold the bracket in place. So let's go ahead and get them off. All right, so we have this off. And time for the one that's actually going to hold our bracket on. All right, we'll put our bracket on. Okay, now it's time for the shackles. All right, here's the first one. Good. And here's the second one. Right, and that's the finished product. Looks pretty good. Couple notes that I want to go over with installation. Remember how I said that the D-ring brackets did not have any indicators on which side they need to go on? That is correct, they do not have any indicators, so it was trial and error. Luckily, I got it on the first try. So if you'll look at the bracket straight on, so this is the front of the bracket, that's where the D-ring will go, like that. If you look at it, the hole or the ring area is slightly off to one side. So it's on one side rather than in the middle or on this side. So you want the bracket area to go towards the center of the body of the truck, okay? When you go to put the brackets on there, you can see the hole is here, and the welded area for the bracket itself for the shackle is on that side towards the center of the vehicle. If you try and put it on the other way, there's not going to be any clearance, so I guess you can't really put it on backwards even if you tried, but to keep you from going nuts, and you know, I try and do this for you guys beforehand so you don't have to try and figure it out. When you go to put the bracket on, long and short of it, make sure that the holder for the shackle is towards the center of the truck. So this one is from the driver's side. So you can see I took it off so I could show you this. Again, driver's side was just one bolt had to remove, put it in here, and you're good to go. One other thing, when we put in the passenger side bracket, remember there was already a bolt-on tow hook there. So we had to remove that tow hook and its bolts for that bracket to fit under there like it should. So keep in mind you will have 2 bolts and a tow bracket left over. So do what you want with them. I'll keep them just in case. Put them away just in case I need them later on. All right, guys, we are done. And I think it looks great. We have the red D-ring connected to the AMI bracket, which is bolted to the truck, and it looks amazing. Gives the truck just a little bit of red pop. I think the red looks great, complements it really well. That army green is nice and mellow, and then the red just, I think, the gloss red just pops on it. Rhino USA does have a ton of different color D-rings, so give them a look. Like I said, I bought all this stuff on Amazon. I'll put links down in the description below. If you would, like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And until the next video, thanks guys.